Hello guys, ji welcome ji. Let him out. Or if I let them out after they will die, I have tried last month because this is not wild any birds. If I let them go out, they will die because they cannot survive outside themselves. D. Michael. I give them very big case here. The very big this case. They can fly inside. They can play inside. Hello guys, welcome Cockatiel Guide YouTube channel. So here is my cockatiels. They are very happy in the night time. And here is the gray one. And this baby is a Latino and two babies here. They are eating here. Oh, they come and gone. It's okay. The big pair is, I think they are ready for next clutch. They are going in the breeding box. The babies is so big now, so that's why I think they are ready for breeding again. The female is here. Please tell me in the comments which country you are watching this video.